Well, obviously this movie is the combination of Jaws and The Exorcist, but by mashing monster movies with a type of profession, you could come up with a bunch of fun titles, like Anchorman Vampires, Zombie Clerks, or Psycho Showgirls. Yes, I own the remake of Psycho, and I own a copy of Showgirls.
A Catholic nun is being accused of the brutal torture and death of 13 local boys and girls.
I guess a facehugger egg was buried there. Ah, this must be one of those cemetery/beaches.
I'm gonna make sure they punish you! And I won't stop until you're rotting in hell!
This nun is wielding a large knife, but I guess she left her rosary beads at home.
Lord Satan, accept my sacrifice! Send me an Avenger!
Avenger? Send in the amazing Bulk. The power of Carp compels you! The power of Carp compels you!
Hey, Bobby, it's me. Why aren't you picking up? Tell you what, just call me when you get this. Seriously, Bobby, just call me.
He's not picking up because her phone isn't on.
So, is Allie doing okay?
I guess. Why shouldn't she be okay?
I don't know. Didn't her boyfriend, cheat on her? What's his name?
Who knows? She didn't say anything to me about it.
Or she might have said something, but you never listen. You're not the world's best listener.
Are they reading their
listen.
lines off their phones? Ah, my screensaver.
What about Ellie?
The shark didn't bite her, she bit the shark.
Stay with me, okay? Okay, I'm gonna get some help.
Oh no, there's Heinz all over you! You know you're allergic to ketchup!
Oh no, someone please help, there's been a shark attack!
Hello, I'm Nancy Chase, and welcome to another episode of Ghost Whackers.
Is she gonna whack off a ghost? I certainly hope so.
Natural.
Reports claim a giant shark is feeding on the swimmers. Is that really true?
It seems impossible, but I want to know for sure. How can we do that? By asking the victims themselves?
Who is she talking to if her cameraman is behind her?
Psychic link with the troubled spirits.
Speak to me, spirit of the water.
Seizure or ghost sex? You decide.
3 weeks ago, there was this chunk bitten out of your leg. We all thought you might die.
Well, I guess it wasn't that bad, was it?
Hey, remember that shark movie a girl whacked off a ghost in? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to end my sentence in a preposition. I meant a ghost off in that shark movie in which she whacked?
Look, I don't even need this bandage anymore. See?
Oh my god, Allie, there's not even a scar or anything.
Whatever. Look, I'm going home. I just want to soak in my tub.
That's all you do anymore, is just soak in your tub.
You should try it. It feels good.
It really gets the ketchup off your leg. That's more thumbs than this movie deserves. Is he gonna be attacked by a shark in this waist-high ocean?
My dear Father Michael,
Christopher Lee?
it is with a heavy heart that I must inform you of the death of your brother.
On our last episode, I attempted to make a psychic connection with those who've died here. But what I channeled was something far more evil.
That camera guy's shots must suck for this show.
Right here. If there is a shark here, I believe it's possessed. Possessed by a demon.
bullshit.
Who the fuck said that? I'm Brianna Bennett from Ghost Fakers, and I've been on these shark attacks since they first started, and that's just what they are, shark attacks. No ghosts and no demons.
The score for this movie sounds like Ace Ventura scratching a plate with silverware.
Alright, time to record the score for this scene. God, no!
We call on you. Hear us. I can't do this. Silence.
Her earrings look like lollipops. I want to lick them.
We come humbly. Hear our call. We seek only the truth and nothing more.
Is that Satan? Put on some pants.
What's wrong with her? She's just faking it. She's so pathetic.
She's either being possessed or needs the Heimlich maneuver.
Don't look yet. Don't look yet. Are you ready? It's a surprise. Surprise! You said you like to get wet.
I hope they go fin to mouth.
Okay, I can take a hit.
I'll just remove these MC Hammer pants. Shark! Hammerhead!
What are you doing? I'm listening. Listening to what? Your heartbeat. Can't you hear it? It's going faster and faster and faster. You're freaky.
We're gonna slap our tuna together.
Allie, where'd you go?
So she dreamt of seducing an autistic girl in a pool?
Followed that bitch Nancy from Ghostwhackers here. I know she's up to something, and I'm gonna expose that bitch for the fraud she is.
Apparently the devil is constipated or something. And here comes the pea soup. And he slips on a misplaced banana peel. This movie has more running than The Running Man. Oh god, this Campbell's pea soup is worse than Progresso!
Oh god. She's still kinda hot. I'd still do her. Oh.
Alright, let's see what this demon shark ate today. Of course, split pea soup. From Amy's Organic Soups. I mean, I don't know what Satan's thinking with this kind of soup. Is he going on a diet or something? I mean, split pea is pretty gross, and I don't really know why that's like the soup for demon movies and puke, whatever.
What's a shark doing in a lake anyway? I mean, don't they normally live in the ocean?
Normally, but we're not talking about a normal shark here. That's why I'm concerned for Allie.
Allie's fine. I mean, she was healed, like, miraculously. It was a miracle. But this wouldn't have anything to do with why she's acting weird, would it?
How weird is she acting?
I don't know. It's weird. She's, like, sleeping all the time, never eating, barely talking to anybody, and she's obsessed with water. I mean, everything has to do with water. She has to be in it or around it.
She needs to drink it, bathe in it. It's weird. Let me get 2 dildos. Why are they wearing matching outfits? People magazine should do a fashion face-off of who wore it better. Uh-oh, priest at a carnival. Hide your kids. She could do some serious damage to an elephant ear, or a corn dog.
Oh,
Shark hickeys!
Damon, the power of Christ commands you!
I guess the word compels is copywritten.
I order you to cease your evil and corruption. Demon, be gone!
We're gonna need a bigger cross.
Aha, because Jaws.
I'm going to perform the holy rite of exorcism.
Is that a tiki torch? I guess the mosquitoes were really bad this exorcism season.
Not exactly.
Only one thing can stop me.
So you can be stopped.
Of course. Shall I tell you now?
Tell me.
Come closer.
The pea soup budget for this movie must have been huge. What is this? 2001 A Shark Odyssey? Distract it with a license plate or a car tire. Sharks love those.
The power of COD compels you! The power of COD! Oh, wait, I already said that earlier. Let's see, what are some more Exorcist lines? Yeah, beats me, I guess this exorcism's over.
Wait, isn't the movie over? There's still more story here? What is there even left to say? He's not even hidden at all. We can see him clear as fucking day. Guess I'll just tan in this shade. Howdy y'all, I'm Ranger Rick. I'm just doing a routine cavity search of everyone on this beach today. I'm not sure if this is good or bad for Samsung. Samsung, for that perv in you. Is she part dinosaur? Why does she sound like that?
Emily! Emily!
Hey, what's wrong? Are you fucked up?
Please tell me what's wrong.
You don't want to know.
Yes, I really do.
Forgive me.
For I have finned. Someone just threw a rock in that lake. I think we can make a better splash than that. This movie still isn't over yet. Man, they're really pulling out all the stops to pad it out to an hour long. Hey, it's the official Shark Exorcist plus Shark. I'll take this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Don't get greedy now. Other kids might want one. Oh my god, the aquarium gets me so hot. My orange juice!
Your mother sucks cod in hell.
Whoa, that's pretty rude. Here, why don't you suck on this for a while?
5 more minutes, ladies. Ready to come back?
No! We are going to do this!
What about you, Holly? It's okay to be scared. I won't tell anyone you're just a big pussy.